you can see, we're probably not that great at this, but we're always out hiking and we want to share our trips and memories with as many people as possible, hopefully to inspire you guys to get out there more. And we're on our yearly trip around Europe, this time focusing just on France. We're about to, maybe Switzerland, and we are currently in just outside of Cantal.
In the Volcanoes National Park.
So follow along to see what we see. So we have walked 5.3 kilometres so far, currently 1300 metres high. Not much of a view, it's very cloudy, misty, but we'll do our best to show you what's in store, hopefully something good.
It's nice though, very quiet. We haven't seen anyone else. We've seen mushrooms. Have you seen any other animals?
Nah.
No animals. We can hear nice birds.
That's about it.
It's just nice and quiet, peaceful.
Very green.
Very green, very lush.
But we are from the UK, as you probably already know. And anything this high in the UK is pretty much barren. Just boulders and rock and definitely not any trees. And we're still well in the forest really now.
Yeah.
Definitely looking a little bit more mountainous now. All the big rocks and boulders. Closing in to the highest point of today's hike, which is just shy of 1,700 metres it will be. Which we'll stop up there, have a little bit of a snack. Hopefully be able to show you some views. But you can sort of see it up there. We're heading up there behind us. The sun's trying to come through, so hopefully it burns off all this low cloud and we can get some views for you. First few people we've bumped into up here. About to turn left up to our summit for the day. So here we are at our top today. I don't know how long we've been going. How long have we been going?
2 hours 21.
2 hours 21 of hiking so far, about 7.5 kilometres done. But we'll drop down a little bit just out of the breeze so we're warm and have some food, and then we get on our way. If you take your dog up places like this, is when you're going down or on any sketchy parts, just let him off. They're a lot more agile than us, and you pay more risk by keeping them tied onto you and trying to control their movements. Come down a little bit further to take a break and have some of
Gran's banana bread.
which comes with us everywhere. I think we've got another 3 or
We've
2
got
loaves
2 more loaves in the freezer of Gran's bread, banana bread.
in the camper, so yeah, it's great food for these sort of trips. All the mountains, and we love it. She does a great job. I always tell her she should sell it, but she can't be bothered with that. She just enjoys making it. Very consistent as well. Every time it tastes the same.
Yeah.
But the views are a little bit better, so I'm going to get the drone up and hopefully be able to show. My ground's a better bait than yours.
Than mine?
And everybody's.
Yeah, that's fair. You waiting for some banana bread?
What? Oh, moody.
Moody, because we're waiting. Moody, because we're doing nothing. No, I love banana bread.
So we've got the drone up, but notification on the drone software, you weren't actually allowed to fly around here, so brought it straight back down, but I was videoing the whole time, so here is some of the footage that we did get. Now heading back down towards the camper. 6k to go. Battery's going to run out on this, so we'll try and get as much as we can. So that up there was where we climbed up to. Now making our way back down through the valley, back to where the camper van is. So we are coming to the end of our first hike and first time doing these sort of videos. So hopefully they're improved, but if you do like it, thank you for watching for one, and don't forget to follow the channel, do all that stuff.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe, and I'll be putting out lots more. Whee! Make sure we put that on there. Bit of entertainment to finish for you. But yeah, we've got loads more videos coming of this trip. Well, that outro went a little bit all over the show. But thanks for watching. We are hungry now, so we're going to go back and make an egg sandwich. And we've got some leftover pastries from yesterday. Obviously, when in France, eat pastries. That's what we're going to do.
All day.
See you on the next one.